Hey everyone, this is Shar of YellowYum. Today I have a swatching video for you. I will be swatching the new collection of Avon. This is called Prism Lipstick Collection, and I can't wait to show you what they're all about. They're quite unique because they have this pearl-like shimmers that make your lips shine. I don't know if you can tell, you can actually see the shimmers, and all of the shades are really beautiful. I think they complement the Filipina skin tone very well. So without further ado, let's start swatching. The first color that I'm gonna swatch is P13 Interstellar Love, and it's the nude shade. The next color is P11 Nude Eclipse. P02 Celestial Crush, and this is the shade. On to the next shade. I'm using P03 Futuristic Dreams. Next shade is P06 Aura On. Next is P05 Blast Off. P14 Hyperfusion. Is P08 Reflective Scandal. There you have it. Those are the 8 beautiful shades from the Lip Prism collection of Mark by Avon. You can really see how gorgeously shiny the shades are because of those pearl-like shimmers. It really makes your lips shine beautifully and actually your entire look. I also noticed that there is a scent to it. It kind of is a fruity scent. Has this fruity scent. I can't really distinguish what it is exactly, but it does have a scent to it, but it doesn't really linger, so after a while you'll get used to it. Also on the bullet there is the name Mark, so you can see that they also have a logo right there, and the bullet itself is really nice. It is in this tube, this violet kind of holographic tube. My daughter saw it and she said that it reminds her of the galaxy, which I totally agree because it has some shimmers on it, and there's also the Avon logo in front, and at the back is the shade name. It's also very moisturizing on the lips, so unlike, you know, your usual matte lipsticks, this one also gives you moisture. So if you're kind of tired of the usual mattes, you might want to check this out. Only thing is it's not long wearing, so if you eat you will have to reapply. If you drink, it will transfer a little bit. And I noticed that when you wipe it, like if you have to wipe, like what I did earlier since I was swatching, some of the shimmers stay on your lips actually. So just don't forget to bring your bullet with you if you intend to use this lipstick so that you can retouch all throughout the day. So that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing all the swatches, and of course I'm gonna be putting my full review on the blog YellowYum.com, so visit my blog for more details, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and check out the description box below. I'll write down all of my links and social media accounts. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!